The Dairy Queen Red Velvet Blizzard Cupid Cake. XOXO, yeah. Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Garrett the Griddler here. And for this video I decided to kill not one but two birds with one stone. I got my wife her Valentine's treat and myself a product to review for the channel. So this right here is the Dairy Queen or DQ Red Velvet Blizzard Cupid Cake. So first of all, this is how it came. Seems a little odd to me. I don't seem like how I would package it. I'm hoping I can get it out, but you know, I guess that also could be, maybe that's why they did it, because it don't, you know, there's not as much space and stuff as opposed to if it's on the bottom. So I ain't doubting Dairy Queen. They know their ice cream cakes. So let's open it up and hope we can get them out. So I got some flecks here. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. I apologize for the glare. It's just my love for my wife radiating. This right here is adorable. Adorable. And to my wife, if you're watching, alright, so this right here is the DQ Red Velvet Blizzard Cupid Cake. Like I said, I think it looks great. This is their, says serves two, so I think it's pretty generous for serving two. And let's cut into it and see the inside. Alrighty. So almost got the wrong color of festive red on it. So I'm all about the end piece. Let's see if we can get it on here. I'm making a mess, but I don't care. So I don't know how to show up on camera, but there you go. It's as advertised. Let's sit it on here and try it. I'm not gonna lie, I had this last year. I loved it, but we'll do it anyway. It's like trying to eat Jell-O with a fork. Try to get a little bit of that red velvet. Oh, know where it went. There's some. About just went knife first. Getting ice cream, whipped cream all over the taste test table here. But this little product here, Dairy Queen, $9.99 for this before tax. I think it's a great deal. So with that being said, I'm giving it 5 stars. Wait, I went back in time there. 5 spatulas and a gold price to portion ratio. I think when you look how much at the pricing for Valentine's Day items can be, I think this is something unique. I think it's great. It tastes great. It tastes high quality. It looks great. I think for $10 it just cannot be beat. But I look forward to it. Now I'm going to have to try to figure out how to mold this back with some like vanilla ice cream or something, and hope my wife doesn't watch this video, except the part where I show her my love. But until next time, this is Garrett the Griddler saying, let's keep loving and cooking. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you're wanting one of these delightful little treats, they do require a 3-day ordering window. So hopefully I can get this video edited fast, get it up on the channel. You'll see it, and you'll be able to treat your significant other in the meantime. So 3 days, I think it's worth it.